Hello everyone. This is the final video of the quiz game series. In this video, I will show you how to code the timer and power-ups for the quiz game. First, we'll start off by importing time. Next, we will set some variables to keep track of the time. So we'll have a start time, time, and seconds. So this is the total number of seconds our game will last. So we could, for testing purposes, we'll just keep it at 15, but we can set it to 45 or other time. 45 seconds. Okay, so next we'll make the timer. So for the timer, we'll use this variable to track the time, tracker, which will be seconds. So this is the total seconds, subtract, and then so we'll get the current time, time.time, subtracted from, or subtracted by the start time. Okay, so this will return the rounded number and tracker, so it'll be like 15 seconds subtracted, and then if we started, if like let's say 5 seconds passed, then it will say 15 subtract 5, so 10 seconds left, like that. So next we'll want to draw it onto the screen. So pygame dot draw dot rect screen. So now we want to say the colors. So 255, 215, 0. And now we want to the dimensions and the x and y coordinates of the rectangle. So this will be like a rectangle behind our timer, and then we'll want to screen dot split. So now we'll also want to display text, right? So font small dot render time. So we'll print this string out, and then string tracker. So 1, and then now this will say the color of the color of our text. So 00255. This will be like a nice blue, and we'll have to update the screen. So pygame dot display dot update, and then after, since with the timer we'll want to delay a little more, so delay will set to 125 there. So let's run it and see what happens. So welcome to quiz game. Start. Oh. Line 126. Oh, we forgot to we forgot to set the location of the text, which will be 28 by 28 and 30. So let's run it. Okay, start. So as you can see, the timer works. So we can 72, 11, 5, 22, 121, 28, 22. So right now the timer will keep on going down. So after I show you how to do the power-ups, I'll show you how to end the timer or stop when the timer. Okay, so now I'll show you how to do the power-ups. So first we have to load the images. So for power-up images, we'll have a chest. So chest image is equal to pygame.load.image.load, and then chest underscore small .png. So your image, it will have to be an PNG. So the background is transparent. So I already imported my images into my project. So yeah. Okay. Power up. So now we'll import the power up images, and the power up images will be in a list so that we can access them simultaneously. So we'll have a power up called +2, or the images +2 .png. Image load bonus time .png. Okay, and then we'll have one other power up. +1. Okay, so now we have all of the images in a list. So now we'll code the power-ups. So the power-up will be, code for the power-ups will be at the end. So after we have created the question and called on the drawing function, we will write the code for the power-up. So if their score is more than 0, and this, so for me in my game, every third answer correct, they get a power-up. So you can choose whatever number. So you can make this 5 for every 5 correct answers. I did every 3. if score modulus 3 is 0, so then random power up is equal to random dot rand in, so a number from 1 to 3. Okay, so now we'll print to the screen the chest. So chest image, chest image 6. So its coordinates will be 625 and 110. And then pygame dot display dot update. So we update the screen after showing the chest. Pause a little. So pygame dot time dot display. So and then we'll see which power up to print. So then, and so if it's the first one, which is +2, so we'll do screen dot blit power up image, power up images. So go back here. So the first image, and it'll be at the location 585 by 110. And okay, so power up images, and we'll increase their score by 2. And then else if random p, so the random power up is the second one, which was bonus time, screen dot blit dot power up images. So this is the list 1 index 1. So the second element 110 there, and we'll increase the number of seconds, so total number of seconds, by however much you want to increase it by. So in mine I did another extra 3 seconds. And then the last power up is increasing by 1. So those are the 3 power ups. And now we'll want to update this screen, display.update, so it shows our power ups being displayed. And then we'll want to delay a little bit so that the user can see the power up. Time.display 200. Okay, let's run it and see what happens. Okay, start. Oh, I think I did the same mistake again. Okay, which line? 128. Here. So to include the coordinates of the. Okay, 1 second. So time. Oh. So I think it didn't save. Okay, 28 by 30. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, so start. I think I forgot a comma. There. Okay, run. Start. There. So the timer works. Let's see the score. And oh, there's something wrong. Pygame.time has no attribute. Okay, I think. Okay, line 200. Okay. Oh, line 176. Okay, so on line 176. Oh, it's a delay. So pygame.time.delay. Okay, run. Okay, everything should work now. Start 28, 88, 54, 60. Oh, what's wrong now? Index out of range. Oh yeah, since the list has only 3 elements, so the last index will be at index 2. Okay, run. Okay, start. So 132, 40, 44. There. So as you can see, okay, now let's see. Oh, I made the same mistake again. So delay DELAY. Run. Okay, start. So 16, 22, 24, and you can see the power-ups. 36, 10, 132, 30, 12, 45, 10. Okay, so let's see, 56. So plus 3, it increases the time. So 24. So the score is 19. Let's get it wrong. So plus 1. Let's see, 12. Oh, so in the next round it adds the score. So 60. There. So plus 2, 22. Okay. So now I'll show you how to code the end. So the end will go here. So in the end, we'll check if round. So we'll check if the current time, so time.time subtract start time rounded to 2 decimal places is greater than or equal to the seconds, so total number of seconds. So if for example we did 15 right now, so if more than 15 seconds passed, so we end it, so we set run to false, FALSE, then we do screen dot fill, so change the background to a black, and we'll display some text onto the screen, so it will say what time over, okay, and the font size will be font, so regular, and the color will be red, so, and 0, okay, and the location will be around the middle, so 250 by 200. Okay, so now we want to update the screen. Oh, and we have to, okay, so something is wrong with the, so time over, oh, no, so this whole thing is the time over, or this is the text and this is the location. Okay, so after it prints game over, you can print out their score, so maybe delay a little, so pygame dot time dot delay, and maybe delay for 2 seconds, so 2000, and then fill the screen again, back to the normal color, 150, screen dot blit, and then font dot render. Okay, so we want to print out the math score, which will be math score, and then the string of the score, and then the color will be black, and the location will be 150 by 200. And now we want to update the screen and delay again. Okay, and this should be all, so let's run it and see. So welcome to quiz game, start, 80, 44, 30, 77, 8, 121, 72, 10, 20. So now the time is over. It says time over, and it says the math score, and game is over. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos. This video was created by Md Nazmus Saad from the CodeBakery. Looking to learn how to code apps, games, and websites for free? Subscribe and sign up at our website in the description.